Let me introduce you to the NOVAX Insulating Blanket. The insulating blanket is designed for lifeline working and protects the user by covering exposed conductive areas during electrical maintenance operations. The NOVAX blankets are built from Type 2 EPDM rubber, engineered to resist ozone degradation and withstand repeated demanding field use. Durable, long-lasting, and easy to maintain. The NOVAX blankets are also available in Class 2 and Class 4, both in compliance with the ASTM standards. Class 2 is rated for use up to 70,000 volts, while Class 4 is rated for use up to 36,000 volts. Our Class 4 blankets are also available in solid and slotted options that fit your job requirements. The NOVAX blanket also has reinforced eyelets that are specially designed to resist tearing under repeated use, delivering greater durability. For added stability, NOVAX blanket clamps help secure the blanket in place during use. Meanwhile, NOVAX storage bags help protect the blanket from damage, extending service life and maintaining performance over time. NOVAX Insulating Blankets. What covers you today has to be just as reliable tomorrow.
GB Industries. NOVAX.